Let's deconstruct some of these beginner crochet bags. Let's have a look at what it takes to make them and how I would go about reading these types of pattern diagrams in order to make these bags. Let's begin. This bag is nothing but single crochet. You start with a magic circle. You increase by 6 each round until your base is wide enough. Then just keep going in even rounds and the sides grow straight up. That's the whole body. The handle is just a chain of 10. 1 stitch, 0 fuss. A super easy granny square bag. You just make 3 very large granny squares, and you can do this in any color that you prefer. And you just place them together like this with the straps, and it shows you how to do that. This is your typical market crochet bag, made fancy with this stitch that you can follow along here. It's quite easy to make because all you need is to make 2 exactly the same sides of this stitch and make it as high as you want, depending on how big you want your bag to be. And then with the straps, you just do simple chain with a single crochet. You attach it to both sides. Sew it together and you're done. Here is another nice bag that beginners could attempt to make with a ripple stitch. So you begin with a solid granny square base, and then you can see it shows you the lines of where you connect, at which part of the sequence you connect the ripple. Then up the top you just finish off with some single crochet for a handle, and you get a really nice looking bag. This little crochet bag has bamboo handles right there, and again we just have 2 sections in this stitch, and up at the top we create some double crochet stitching that we can fold over here to give you a stylish little handbag. Here is another beginner friendly single crochet bag. So we begin with a wider base of single crochet circle, and once we finish that circle we just continue without increasing straight up, and you just continue the round all the way around, and then you can add some handles. Granny square bags are some of the easiest. This is a really nice and very popular sunflower crochet bag, and you just master any square that you like, and then you can combine them. You can combine them like this, and you basically have an endless amount of possibilities. You should check out my 500 plus crochet granny squares video if you want inspiration for your own granny square bag. Here are 2 more examples, and here we play with colour in different ways, and when you join them it creates that look. And here's another one. This is a very easy little tote bag with this African flower square. Here's your base, an oval. You basically create the base, and then you have a few lines of like a mesh stitch. Then you just crochet a few of these, about 4, and put them together. Then you continue to crochet up the top, giving you a really nice looking tote.